Oh yeah, we on. We on. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to the channel. You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you here rocking with me, and I really appreciate that. If you get any benefit from this video, please do comment, like, subscribe. You saw the thumbnail. Today, what I'm actually going to be reviewing slash unboxing is Nishane's Hacivat. Yeah, getting right into it. What do I know? People say there's similarity to Aventus. My experience with Aventus is, I've never owned a full bottle. I've had two separate samples, which are gone by now. I actually really like the fragrance. Maybe about 2.5 years ago, I got the Club de Nuit, the Intense Man, the clone. I actually really like that. I don't like the initial, but I definitely like the dry down. Great clone, but $35 or $30 on discounters. And then maybe about a year ago, I wind up coming up on the El Harmain or the Harmain, the El Aventur, the other clone of Aventus, which I think I like that one a little bit better. And I got the 6.7 ounce for about $45 on discounters. But again, I go off of reviews that I found from YouTubers and definitely on Fragrantica. And this one was a little confusing for me. So I don't really know what to expect from this one. Truthfully, I don't really like having multiple fragrances in my collection that smell similar. I don't like that. Why am I spending that type of money? Although this is a fragrance review channel, I don't like redundant fragrances. But let's get into it. Okay, so with the unboxing. Ooh. Nice presentation. The box is all right here. Okay. Slides right off. Okay, this is interesting. Gonna slide this out here. Looks like, okay. Give me a little gift card. Have to dig into that in a second, but the bottle here, okay, this is interesting. It's a little heavy. I do like the top. This is actually okay. I really can't smell it. It's time. Okay, so let's spray it. What do we got? Okay, off top, this is definitely not as offensive as Club de Nuit. That initial on the Nuit is crazy. Okay, this is a little calm down. I like it, but I'm going to be honest, this definitely smells similar to the clones I have already, but I feel like it's definitely calmed down. I can smell the pineapple. I like this. It already smells like somewhat of a softer version of the clones and Aventus. But this does smell very, very similar. I'm going to be honest. If the dry down smells anything like the initial here, it's a little redundant. It's a little bit softer. I feel like it's transforming a little bit. The dry down is going to be different, but it still smells so similar so far. I don't know if this is something that I really need to have in my collection. I think I got this on Joma Shop on sale, maybe for about $144, $150. I do like the bottle. It is really slick. I do like the fragrance, but I feel like I already have something in my collection similar to this. So, this was absolutely a blind buy. I went straight off of reviews. I tend to do that every now and again because I feel like I'm pretty decent at discerning, reviews through Fragrantica and seeing exactly what, the popular opinion is. I'm not going to say I was wrong with this one. I definitely did see some individuals, not necessarily, you know, putting it down, but not saying it wasn't necessarily worth the hype. Based on what I know so far and what I already currently have in the collection, again, you know, Club de Nuit is $30. This was $150 and that was on sale. So you're talking about 5 times the price of Club de Nuit. El Aventure was $45 for the big bottle, the 6.7 ounce bottle. So again, three times that is the cost here for Hacivat. Is this something that you should go out and get? At this point in the review, I'm going to say no. But you know, I love the comments. So what I want to happen here, I want you guys to basically get in the comment section and tell me if you like it, if you love it. Does it smell like Aventus? Does it smell like the 2 clones that were aforementioned? Does it smell like another clone I haven't heard of? Would you really recommend this? And is the dry down something different? I might have to retract my statement on this or my initial thoughts because there are fragrances that the initial spray does not smell like the dry down, or the initial spray will be offensive. But the dry down, you'll love it. As a matter of fact, put that in the comment section. If you've got a fragrance, because I know I got a few that come to mind, that the initial sprays of some fragrances that I bought, I did not like. But the dry down, I wind up loving. Maybe that's this. Nishane Hacivat. You tell me how you feeling about this. I'll see you on the next video.